before we dive into the conversation, it is an formality. Can you introduce yourself?
Of course. Actually, my name is Varun and I am from West Bengal. Now, actually, I'm a student and nowadays, this is my hobbies, I can say. Now I'm learning this language and also I'm running a YouTube channel. Yeah, that's all about me.
Oh, you are a YouTuber as well.
Yeah, you can say. What about you?
That's so. It's my turn. Let me introduce myself. So, as you know, my name is Ajit. I'm from Maharashtra. If I talk about my educational background, I have completed graduation in mechanical engineering. Right now, I'm working as a supervisor in product-based company. If I talk about my hobbies, I like to play cricket. But nowadays, I'm very much keen to learn this language. So, you can say my hobby is to learn this language as well.
Okay. I want to know actually, it's your hobbies, but how to practice for your English speaking? I want to know.
Actually, nowadays I do practice over the video call most of the time. Also, parallelly, also I'm watching the so many videos, and nowadays I'm because I like to know about the history. So on relevant content I'm watching nowadays, like the YouTuber name is History with Kirti. She's exploring about she's telling about the history, everything, and way of speaking is very good. So I'm following her, and as well as I'm watching the First Post news channel. Palki Sharma, she is a managing editor, and parallelly I do practice in front of mirror. But nowadays I'm not practicing more because most of the time because I get this platform, so that's why I skip to practice in front of mirror.
Okay, it's a very interesting thing. Okay, so actually, I want to know it's your hobbies, but why you are learning this language? What's the reason behind it?
A reason, as I mentioned earlier, I'm working in the private sector. According to me, unless and until you have a good skill, you cannot survive in this private sector, because there is no job security, no guarantee. And if you want to have more growth in our financially or in this sector, we should possess the different kind of skill. So that is why I'm learning this language.
Okay, it's a very good thing. Okay, so yeah, say something if you have any questions.
Yeah, I want to know that how long you are running this YouTube channel.
Yeah, it will be I think 1 year. But when I started my YouTube channel, that time I was not consistent. But in this time, I'm learning this language. I'm practicing regularly, so that's why actually I'm running consistency. You can say.
So may I know what content are you uploading? Only the English related or any other, like random?
No, no, sir. Actually, in this time I'm learning this language, so that's why actually I want to improve my confidence. So that's why actually I like to talk to different types of people, and I create this type of video and I upload, and also like blog type video I upload in English. Yeah, and sometimes I teach some topic related spoken English because yeah, what if I have knowledge that thing I want to say.
Whom you teach? Like you are just making this solo video or you are teaching online?
No, actually, you can say I teach on the board. Actually, you can say
Ah, okay, okay. It means you are explaining the how the things are there and how we can practice like that.
yeah.
Okay,
That's it.
okay. So yeah, that's great. And may I know what do you do in free time?
When I get free, that time I most of the time actually I want to talk different types of people. Yeah, it's my hobbies, and also I do very much.
Oh,
It
that's
can be
great. It's
in my surround, and it can be online. Yeah.
so right now are you at your hometown or your home or somewhere else?
No, so actually in this time I live in hostel. You can say now actually I'm a student, so that's why actually I live in hostels.
So are you more familiar with this area? Because if you are living in the hostel, I guess 2 3 roommates are there. So you are comfortable over there,
Yeah, actually, I'm comfortable. Actually, in my room, there are two people, two students, I guess, include me.
including you. Oh, okay. So it's mean only you and one more student, one more roommate is there. So I don't think so. There would be a
Yeah,
more
yeah.
disturbance or interruption while making a conversation or making a video. Okay, that's nice.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
may I know how many sessions or how many videos you are making in a day?
In a day, actually, nowadays, I don't have time very much. So that's why sometimes when I get free, that time I connect with different types of people. Yeah, almost it will be one or two when I get free that day.
Okay, okay. Have you tried ever to connect with any native speaker? Did you speak?
Yeah, yeah. Many times I did. Yeah, many times.
May I know how did you connect?
Sorry, please. Say.
How did you connect with the native speaker?
Okay, actually, actually in this time I'm using this type of video, but before 5 or 6 day, I can say that time I was using Telegram channel, one Telegram channel. There are lots of people who are from abroad. So that time I was doing. But in this time I'm not doing because now I'm using this actually this application only.
Ah, okay. It means you are only connecting with in this group people only.
Yeah, yeah, right. Nowadays.
Ah, okay, okay. So, do you have any topic for discussion? Because I would like to discuss on the particular topic.
Yeah, of course, it will be helpful for us. Okay, so if you have any topics, so we can discuss. Otherwise, I have one topic related spoken English, so we can discuss. If you have topics, so we can.
Okay, I have many topics, but I don't think so. You will interest or not because most of the time I'm talking on the politics, any any history related topics. So I don't think so. You are comfortable like cricket as well because as I mentioned, cricket is my passion. So I'm following the cricket as well. So it is better you choose one topic we will discuss.
Okay, so we actually yes, I like to play cricket, but actually I don't watch and I don't have idea very much, so that's why. Okay, so we can discuss related communication in English because nowadays you're practicing and also I'm practicing, so it will be helpful, I think.
Yeah, it will be helpful, but yeah, most of the time I'm discussing on this topic. So let's do one thing. We will ask the general questions, not a general question, very practical questions to each other one by one. It will be helpful because this is good. So suppose the person wants to get more fame or successful in their life. So according to you, how he can get the successful? What the things are
Sorry, please
required
say.
to
Please say.
suppose suppose any person random person wants to start their own business or to complete whatever they have decided the goal or anything. So how can he achieve their goals or anything whatever he wants? Is there any requirement criteria?
Actually, I can't understand your question. Please repeat. Actually, sometimes your voice is broke, so that's why. Please say.
Okay, let me simplify. Suppose suppose the person wants to get success. Get suppose he want to start his own business or business or success.
Mhm.
It is correlated. We can say. So, what the quality the person should have before he start the any kind of business?
Okay, actually, whatever I have knowledge, that thing I will say. Actually, if anyone wants to become a successful man, so in my opinion, they have to be passionate. They have to be consistent because without consistent, we can't do. Because if I want to improve my English speaking, so if I do 1 or 2 days, so it will not be sufficient. If I do every day, if I practice every day, it means consistency. So it will be helpful. So consistency is very important. Whatever you want to do, one thing, in my opinion, and patience. Patience is very important. Two things,
Passion.
in my opinion, patience. Hello.
What is passion? No, passion.
Yeah, patience. Yeah, yeah. Consistency, patience. You are listening me or not? Actually, your
Yes,
voice,
yes, you
actually
go
your
on.
video off.
Okay, go on.
Your
I'm
video
listening
is
you.
not. Your video is not going. I
Oh,
can't see.
how is it now? But I can see you properly. There is no disturbance.
Yeah, actually, I can hear you, but your video is
No,
off.
you completed your point. It will be automatically develop. Or okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, so one thing is consistency, and second is passion, and third, in my opinion, hard work is very important. Because now I am observing many people, so that's why if you do hard work, then yeah, you can success. You can be success in your life because success is not a small thing, or success is not
Oh my God.
it 1 or 2 days things. Again, your video is off.
Oh, there is network problem. I don't know. I can.
My
It
net,
is showing
my
poor
network is
connection.
okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, so yeah, it's my actually opinion. So, what do you think about this? Please say. I want to know from you.
I didn't hear about the third point, like third word. First is passion. Second one is the consistency, and what about third one? What do you say?
Hard work, hard working.
Hard work. Okay. Absolutely, you are right. I agree all these 3 points, but I want to add few points in it. These 3 points are also important, but apart from that, I can say the patience. Passion is different. Patience
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah.
patient is different. Yeah, patience is
Yeah, right,
most
right.
important. Most of the people are doing very hard work. They are very consistent and they are passionate about their job, passionate about their work. But after certain time, they quit because they feel that I'm not going to get succeed. I'm because they feel that I feeling bored, so that's why one day they are quitting, but after some time there is a success. Before getting a success, they are quitting. So that's why I can say
Yeah,
patience is most important. It plays important role. It is a
yeah,
key
yeah,
of
right,
the
right.
success. And many more things are there. Punctuality is there, management is there, time management, and how to manage the people. This is also most important skill. So yeah, this I can say. Yeah.
Okay, actually, totally I can't see. Your voice is stopped.
I don't know. Sometimes it is happening, but early morning there was no problem. But now I don't know why it is happening like this.
I think it's a network problem. Maybe I don't know.
From your side, it is okay. You have a complete
Yeah,
network.
yeah, yeah, yeah. My network is good. Yeah, I can see.
Even my side also, I feel that I'm having a very good network because we have a Wi-Fi connection. So I
Yeah,
don't think so.
actually,
There
also
will be.
I'm
I
using
don't know what
phone
is.
Wi-Fi.
Maybe it is a distance. Maybe it is far away from the your location. So that's why. Maybe I don't know.
I can't hear you now.
Okay, no issue, brother. I think it is. We have. been speaking more than 16 minutes. I think it is enough for today. We will connect later on if you
Yeah, of
are
course, of course,
ready.
of course.
Because now we are facing more problem, and it is not good to continue in this interruption.
Yeah, actually, I can hear you, but I can't see you. So, okay, no problem. We can meet again.
Yeah, surely. So thank you.
Okay, nice to talk
Thank
to you.
you.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Okay, bye.
Bye.